Welcome to WordPress Interview Questions and Answers with Positive Zenith. Are there any best practices for designing and optimizing contact forms for improved user experience and conversions? Best practices for contact forms include 1. Keep forms concise and user-friendly. 2. Use clear and specific labels. 3. Enable autofill and error handling. 4. Include a call to action, CTA. 5. Ensure mobile responsiveness. 6. Implement spam protection measures. 7. Customize confirmation messages. 8. Monitor form performance and user interactions for continuous optimization. Can you provide examples of advanced form features such as multi-step forms, conditional logic, and file uploads? Advanced form features include 1. Multi-step forms, which break lengthy forms into manageable sections. 2. Conditional logic, where form fields change based on user input. 3. File uploads for receiving documents or media from users. These features enhance user experience and enable complex data collection. Explain the benefits of using form builder plugins like WPForms or Gravity Forms for creating advanced forms. Form builder plugins like WPForms or Gravity Forms offer significant advantages for creating advanced forms. 1. User-friendly drag-and-drop interface. 2. Pre-built templates for various types of forms. 3. Advanced features like conditional logic and multi-page forms. 4th, integration with email marketing services and CRM tools. 5. Enhanced spam protection and security features. 6. Detailed submission tracking and analytics. How can you integrate contact forms with email services like Mailchimp or MailerLite for subscriber list building? Integration with email services for subscriber list building. 1. Install an email service integration plugin like WPForms for Mailchimp. 2. Connect the plugin to your email service account. 3rd, edit your contact form, add an email field, and map it to your email service's subscriber list. 4th, test the form to ensure that submissions are automatically added to your email list. How can you track and measure the performance of contact forms, including conversion rates and user engagement metrics? To track and measure form performance, use analytics tools or plugins like Google Analytics. Monitor conversion rates by assessing the number of form submissions and compare it to the total number of visitors. Engagement metrics can be tracked by analyzing the interaction users have with forms, such as time spent and fields completed. How do you analyze and utilize the data collected through contact forms for lead generation and customer communication? Analyzing data from contact forms involves examining submissions for trends or insights. For lead generation, collected information is added to marketing databases for further engagement. For customer communication, inquiries or messages received through forms are responded to and managed for efficient interaction. How do you create a basic contact form using the Contact Form 7 plugin in WordPress, and what are the key settings? To create a basic contact form with Contact Form 7 in WordPress. 1. Install and activate the Contact Form 7 plugin. 2. Go to the Contact menu and click Add New. 3. Customize your form using tags for fields like name, email, and message. Configure mail settings by specifying the recipient's email address. 5. Copy the generated form, shortcode, and paste it into a page or post. What are the considerations for ensuring the security of contact forms and preventing spam submissions on your site? Security considerations for contact forms. 1. Use a CAPTCHA or reCAPTCHA. 2. Implement IP blocking for malicious users. 3. Regularly update form plugins. 4. Employ SSL for secure data transfer. 5. Utilize email confirmation or double opt-in. 6. Use form entry moderation. 7. Monitor submissions for unusual or suspicious activity. What is the purpose of contact forms on a website, and how do they benefit user engagement and communication? Contact forms facilitate user engagement and communication by providing an accessible and convenient means for visitors to interact with site owners. They encourage feedback, inquiries, and messages without revealing email addresses, preserving privacy. Contact forms enhance user experience by streamlining communication and reducing barriers to interaction. What role do notification settings play in contact forms, and how can you customize them to streamline communication? Notification settings in contact forms determine who receives form submissions. You can customize notifications to be sent to specific email addresses or users, ensuring the right people are informed of form submissions. Customizing these settings streamlines communication and response times. Quick, informative, and ready for more? Subscribe to Positive Zenith. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Stay tuned for more in-depth interviews and interview preparation videos.